Hello and welcome! In this tutorial, you will learn how to create a typewriter effect in Adobe Premiere 2024. Add a background color, picture, or a video for the background. Place the clip on the timeline and insert any text you want. Go to the Effects panel and search for the linear wipe effect. Then, add it to the Effects control panel by double-clicking the mouse button. Move the playhead 10 to 15 frames forward and change the transition composition to 100%. And add a keyframe. Now, add another keyframe at the point where you want the effect to end, and set the transition composition to 0%. You can adjust the speed of the transition by moving the keyframe closer or further from the previous one. To reverse the direction of the effect, change the wipe angle from 90 degrees to 270 degrees. Now add a color matte and select black as the color. You can also pick any other color you prefer. We will use this color matte to create a pointer that moves in front of the letters. Deselect the Uniform Scale option and adjust the height and width to match your font size. In this example, the height is 15 pixels and the width is 0.7 pixels. Move the pointer to where your text begins and add a keyframe. Now, move the playhead to the point where the text ends. We will add a blinking effect to the pointer for a more realistic look. Change the opacity of the pointer to 0 and add a keyframe. Press Shift and the right arrow key to move the playhead 5 frames forward. Then, change the opacity to 100%. Next, move the playhead another 5 frames and change the opacity to 0. Now, copy and paste all 3 keyframes onto the last keyframe and repeat the process until it passes the end location of the pointer. And that is it. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe.